Hello everyone, it's Monday, more TVs for repair. So we have this Panasonic TC-P42c2. When you see that P, it's mean for plasma. Like you can tell just from the model number. Alright, let me show you something different on the model number. Like when you see R, like 65R, is mean this TV is for with the Roku system in it. This is just a side information that I want to let you know about. So this is the TV inside, and you know the plasmas. They have power board, main board, and we have these side boards, this one here and this one's here. These two boards, they works with the high voltage, 200 volt or more, and usually these two boards usually these two boards they goes bad. So let's we're gonna plug it to the power to see what the TV is doing. Alright, we watch. So the TV turns on, we hear the first click, second click, the minute TV goes off and start blinking. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 blinks. So before I go and I check this code for 10 blinks, I'm gonna use my what I know about the plasmas to start checking this ones first. So what I do first when I have the plasmas, I check for the shirt. So the TV already unplugged. So we're going to start checking the TV. We put the multimeter to test for shirt. So it means when we connect this one together, we hear that noise. So let's put this one in the ground, and we're going to test these two wires that's going from the power board to the side boards, the SS board and SC board. So you can see here, this one it's at the ground. Let me put the multimeter over there. So this is the ground, and this is Visus. This one's supposed to be like a 200 volt in this wire, so it shouldn't be like you hear it now is a low ohm, shouldn't be like that low. The wire that's carrying 200 volt shouldn't be like that low. So because we have, so now we don't know if there is a short in the power board or a short here. We're gonna disconnect this wire and we're gonna test in the same place to see if there is, if it's gonna be still short or no. So still short. So in this connector, this is the ground, so no short here. So there is no short in this board. That's good. But here, we still have the short. This connector is going from the power board to this side board, and if you look closely here, you can see Visus. It's the same voltage here. Visus. Let's check here. We have short in a Visus. The same thing. Let's disconnect this wire. we don't have the surge. So we don't have the surge in the power board. So now let's check on this side of this board. So here is the Visus. You can see the white wire is going to Visus. So here the white wire is here. This means here the test point for the Visus. And we have a surge. We still not 100% this is the problem, because we are going to test in this connector that's connect this board to the other board. You can see this wire is going all the way to the other board. So we have a surge in this white wire. This is a Visus. This is the ground. This two is carrying is the ground. You can see them is connect together. And this is there is a surge. So let's disconnect this wire. So here is a surge here. That's the Visus. Let's go on this board. By the way, so it's my mistake. The two wires is the Visus. This is the ground. These two wires is not surge. So let's test them again. So should be this is the ground. Yeah, that's the ground. This one here. If we follow it closely, is going. You see his big pad here, and connected to the same screw. Is mean yeah, the white one is the ground, but here is not supposed to be the ground. So we have a problem here. So we unscrew the main board. One screw here, one here, and one here. So I flip the main board, and this is the board that we have the problem with. So here we confirm that the surge is inside this board. As you see here, there is a surge. There is a surge here, and surge here. So this one is connected to the ground. The other side, nothing. So it's good. So this one, no. This one is good. This IC here is good. So this one is shorted. All the pads is connected to the ground. So you can see the X. It's already tested. This one the same thing. This is a diode. Usually these diodes, they don't go bad. It's just because there is a short here, it show here. If we remove the IC that has a short, the short is going to be gone. So the short is not in the diode. Kinda sure about that. So this one's here is shorted. This is I think it should be like a MOSFETs or IGBTs. So search, we check in this capacitor that's connect to this IC, this diode, so no short. Alright, here it is okay. So we have just these 5 components here, or 6 components here, that they are testing as a short. 2 of them is a diode. This means usually this one they don't go bad. So we have 4 MOSFETs they tested as a short. So we put a little bit new solder in the pads. I'm gonna remove all the 4 MOSFETs. So I already removed this one, this one, this one, and this one. Or this one, not the diode. So the new solder is gonna help the old solder to melt quick. And they use the solder iron. You can see it. This is more quick way to do it. Here is the number 2. Number 3. And here. So let's test if there is still the short. So no short. So the short and the diodes gone. I'm gonna test this diode because it looks like a little bit some overheat or burning mark. So no reading this way. There is a reading that way. That's good. With this diode, there is a reading or no reading this way. There is a reading that way. The same time this one. Here is a reading and no reading. This two here. Good. Definitely this one bad. This one bad. This one maybe still good. This one is bad. So one of them, no, this one is bad. Yeah, this one is bad. So all 4 of them are bad. So the TV turns on, we get the display, no more error code, and this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next one.